Let's take a look at Solana. Last time I looked at Solana was on September the 27th. Here is a recap. Solana already broke out of the resistance of this downward channel. So it's basically confirmed the breakout of this bull flag. It is forming this new upward channel. So if Bitcoin stabilizes, then all probability is pointing to Solana would continue to consolidate but trend upward within this upward channel. The next target is for Solana to run up and retest the resistance of this upward channel at around 160. Given the fact that the Bollinger Band is still a little bit wide, it needs to contract more. The probability is very high. Once it retests the 160, it would retrace and retest the lower band again before it bounces up. That way, the Bollinger Band would get more contract. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Solana, and the data I have is to 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 1st. Last time when I looked at Solana was on the 27th, right? Solana performed very much how I had anticipated. After broke out of this bull flag, Solana set up this new upward channel. Then Bitcoin retraced, Solana followed and retested the resistance of this upward channel. Bounced right back up, and now it's trending up. Today, Bitcoin is up big, so Solana is up over 7% and it's trading at 151. Let's take a look at Solana on this hourly chart. This is the upward channel. Solana has been very much gravitate within this upward channel. Every time when it's tested, the support bounces right back up. If we look at the price movement, Solana has been creating this higher low. So what's happening is the seller continue to put pressure every time when the price bounces up. At the same time, every time when the price drop, buyers step in to support it. So we have this higher low as well as lower low, because buyer continue to support the price. So essentially what happened is, if we connect all this point, we have within this upward channel, we have this little symmetrical wedge. A couple of days ago, when seller drove the price down all the way to about 132, where it retested the support of the symmetrical wedge, buyer stepped in, supported the price, and then continued to push the price up. Buyer is very much took over. They drove the price up. Solana broke out of the resistance of the symmetrical wedge on strong value. Go back to the daily chart. The chart looks very bullish. Looking at the moving averages, the 10-day was trending downward, and now it is reversing direction and trend upward, moving away from this 50 days. That is a very good sign. The stochastic oscillator is showing upward momentum now. 3 days ago, the blue line crossed over and lead the red line, and the gap is getting wider. That is also another very positive sign. The Bollinger Band is forming very nicely. It was overstretched when Solana ran up to 216s, and since then the price retraced, and when it was retracing, the Bollinger Band contracted, and now it's getting very close to the point where the band is tight enough to support another run up in price. Ideally, we like to get the band even tighter, similar to here. The tighter the band get, the more momentum it could build up. And when there's a spike up in price, the momentum will propel the price to run up, like what we've seen during this bull run, where the price ran up from $40 all the way to over $200. The volume is still a little bit low. Low volume points to a strong probability of Solana still in consolidation. And the minute volume pick up, that would be the beginning of the next bull run, very much like how Solana has performed back around the August time frame. Very similar to what I'm seeing here. Volume is low, so Solana would continue to trend within this upward channel. Solana already broke out of this symmetrical wedge. The target for this breakout would take Solana up to about the 170, where it will likely test the resistance of this upward channel. Given the fact that the volume is still low, the Bollinger Band still need to contract a little bit more. I believe that once it tests the resistance of this upward channel, seller would likely push the price down. Solana would very much retrace, and there is even a possibility where it would retest the support of this upward channel before it would bounce up, and I believe this time Solana would likely run up as part of the next bull run and eventually zigzag its way to our target price of 300 as part of the breakout of this bull flag. So I am extremely bullish with Solana, and I will continue to accumulate until the price reach a max of 160. And make sure you check back tomorrow. We will revisit Solana again tomorrow. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.